Bye-bye.
Whoa!
Look, this is my new bike. My new bike.
Treat it well, honey. Show it respect it deserves. Don't drop it on the trail. Look at your work.
What?
We're gonna put the wrap on her, bud.
Yeah.
No air bubbles, honey.
Okay. We're gonna build my bike! But we have to poop first.
Oh yes, that's important, isn't it?
Yes.
Hey, what's your style? What you drinking?
Oh.
What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad
Yeah.
in the corner
Birds.
of my class. Boy, what's your style? What you drinking? What's your vibe? I've been feeling rather sad.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Don't be mean. You're here all
Nice.
So this goes over through here.
Yeah.
I'm here all alone and I like it. Baby, don't be trying
On there. This is always the worst part of the job.
Nice.
It's actually kind of nice that this piece has the open end on it. This is your dropper post.
Yes.
Trans-X. There we go.
Nice. Exciting. Ooh. Nice and easy, huh? You're a smart guy.
뭔데요? It's your Yari, honey.
Yeah, you cut it already.
I cut it, but I have to put the star nut in there.
Okay. What's the star nuts for?
It's gonna hold your fork in so it doesn't fall off.
Ah, looks cute, huh?
Is that cute? This is maybe not the right way to do it.
Oh. So actually this fork is holded only this star thing.
Well, no, then the clamp is.
Oh yeah, clamp too. Yeah. Oh wow, now I feel so scared.
Why?
Yeah, that's only the star thing. Just
No,
hold in there.
Once the stem is clamped down, it's really held on there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you put your bar in.
Yeah. Nice.
Stupid wife.
What?
I put this one on already.
I missed it, honey.
You're too busy doing something else. This is your shifter.
Ah, nice.
It has 12 speeds.
It's
Pretty good.
That's good.
Okay, you want some grips on there?
Yeah.
My old
Eric.
grips.
Eric's old, dirty, sweaty grip.
Yeah. All the contact points, it's very specific, right? You should ride what you like and what you used to.
Yeah.
So, I don't know what about the saddle. You can try that saddle, but it might not work with your butt well, right?
Maybe not. What's next?
maybe we should do the dropper post.
Okay.
It's actually pretty impressive how cheap it is. And then the post, so the cable has to come up to here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
Yep.
So first, put this on. It's basically just the cable end. Make sure it's all the way in there. Okay, and then we put the cable through the line. Yeah, this is a lot easier to set up.
That's good.
Yeah,
And it's cheap, right?
yeah, it is cheap. So reliability is a big problem with dropper posts, so we'll
Oh,
see how
yeah.
that is. But yeah,
Yeah, it's
I've
fine.
heard this is a good dropper post. So now we got that. It's kind of nice. You can just put this through here. So that's pretty cool, right?
I guess.
So it's like fully tensioned right now. Just make sure it's all tight. And then just tighten it down. And it also makes it really easy just to lick the cable. It's probably okay. Works.
Nice. Durilar?
Derailleur. The bottom cog is so big. Yeah, it's 12 speed. What do you think?
So big, honey. It must be really heavy.
It does hang really low, actually. It's gonna make it easy, your life easier.
That's great.
There's Loctite in there, so it doesn't turn so easy. But it also means it's not gonna fall out.
That's good. Something hanging there.
Yeah, what do you think?
My little penis?
Don't catch that on rocks. It's gonna cost you money.
Yeah.
Alright, I just want to say this is not the right way to install press fit bottom bracket, but we forgot the tool. Gentle persuasion works as well. Just gently.
Maybe people watch this video and then maybe they just, what the f are you doing?
Maybe. It's in now though. Good enough.
Yeah, bless you. You have to say heck shoy.
Heck, Shoei, what's that?
That's Japanese way.
That's you?
Heck shoy. You gonna hammer it too? It's really right. Is it
it's in
okay?
Yeah. Just want to reiterate, it's not the right way to do it. Don't do it like I did.
Don't do it. Don't do it to your bike.
Do you know what that's called? This piece?
Bottom bracket.
Oh yeah, you know.
I'm learning.
What are we gonna put in next that goes in here?
Clamp? Clanks.
Yeah. This is non-drive side, and this is drive side.
Okay.
So why is this one drive side?
Because it's come from Japan?
What? This is not Japanese at all.
I don't know, but the Japanese, the right side is drive side in the car.
Oh.
The Canada, left side is a drive side.
Oh yeah, okay, fair enough.
Yes.
No, that's not why.
Why is that then?
Because this side has a chain on it. That's where all the drivetrain is. Pretty much all bikes have the drivetrain on that right side.
I like my theory better.
Oh yeah.
Nice and juicy.
Nice and juicy. What?
Oh, nice and juicy in there.
Yeah, actually it's sliding on real good. New bike parts
I can see the juice coming out.
Yeah. Use the torque wrench on this because you don't want your crank to fall off.
No.
And this is like the most likely thing to fall off your bike.
Yeah.
I've had it, or at least come loose. So it says 54 newton meters. Okay, ready? You have to get the click, and that's when you know it's.
Nice.
And now it's tight enough.
Yeah.
We have to make sure there's no side-to-side play in the crank. See how you do this?
Oh yeah, there's still space.
Yeah.
What we gonna do?
That's what this adjuster's for.
Oh.
Yeah, see?
Oh, yeah.
It's gonna bring it in. And then there's a little Allen key in there probably. Oh yeah, there. And it's gonna make it tight.
Oh.
And then it's not gonna back out. There we go.
Nice.
Interesting.
No.
And why are you showing it to the people? Okay.
Oh, yeah, it's fits.
So now, what should we do now?
Wanna put the brake?
Yeah. Okay, so the brake line, okay, that's gonna be good. It goes like this, and it's not gonna bind. Okay. These are actually my old front brakes because Saint is better.
I have to be careful.
Yeah, don't squeeze too hard.
No.
Yeah.
You crashed really good once before.
Yeah.
Back in 2014, when we just started living together, Eric just switched his brake to the Saint. On a ride, he was riding a steep section and squeezed the brake a little bit too hard. And of course, bike stopped, but Eric couldn't stop. So he flew in air and smashed his face into a tree pretty good.
I'm gonna use this shim to set up your rotor properly.
You got it from Japan.
Just kind of shove it in there. Squeeze the brake. Oh, there we go.
Wow, it works good.
That works really good. Bruisman. Be boundless.
My old pedal. This is a good pedal, honey.
You know, they spin like crazy.
I know, but it doesn't break.
Yeah. Alright, so we're on the biggest two.
So big ring and plus 2 chain?
Yeah. One is like one, these two together are one link. So it actually should be this one. Okay. And now we put it on the small one. Chain's covered in wax, so my hands are really waxy right now. So the quick connect should go, see how it's curved? The curve should be on like the outside of the chain ring. Okay. Yeah, now it's popped in. Yeah.
Nice.
Something like this. And take this end off. I'm gonna put this little end cap on. This fits here.
Nice.
Like that. It's gonna pop out at that end.
Oh yeah, it came out.
Pull. Come out the other side of the wheel. Go up. Just using my hand. Oh, okay, yeah. See how it's going too far into the spokes?
Yeah, you did.
It means the limit screw is wrong. If it goes into the spokes, it causes a lot of problems. Okay. What, you're laughing at my flexibility?
You can really see that. Looks really uncomfortable for you, honey.
Don't judge me.
You need to do yoga.
Okay.
Beautiful.
First try.
Yeah, nice. It's getting there. My old stinky saddle.
Why would it be stinky?
Because I sweat.
Oh, so I thought maybe some other reasons.
What is it?
Maybe you're farting on it all the time.
Yeah, it has a hole, honey.
Well, it has a hole.
Yeah.
The farts can escape.
Exactly.
Okay.
Oh, that one.
Yeah, so the chin piece is the bottom, so it just slides in like this. Yeah, it's really nice actually.
Yeah. Almost done.
Yeah.
Last bit.
We almost forgot this
Yeah.
down tube protector. Very important, by the way.
Very, very important. Oh, looks so good.
He's got big old metal.
Nice.
Is that it then?
Bell?
You want the bell? Seriously?
Nice. Beautiful Norco bike, honey. Color is really important. When you ride, you want to be excited and you can ride better. Hi, touch.
High touch. Yeah.
Look at my bike. Look at my bike. Look. So beautiful. This is the first ride with my new bike. Woohoo! I should be able to ride better. It's a new bike. So I've been riding like same bike for 5 years, and it's kind of nervous to ride different bikes. I definitely not want to crash in here. South Mountain, Phoenix, so rocky, and I don't want to get scratched on my new bike or on me.